Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mastery Methods. Today, we're diving deep into the world of self-publishing. I'll guide you step by step on how to publish your book on Amazon KDP. So, if you've got a manuscript ready, let's turn it into a published book. First things first, head over to the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing site, which is kdp.amazon.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. 1. Setting up your KDP account. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details. You'll also need to enter your tax information and set up your payment method. This is crucial for receiving royalties. 2. Creating a new Kindle ebook. Once logged in, click on Plus Create a new Kindle ebook. The same process can be followed when creating the paper or hardback versions, but your word limit needs to hit around 20 pages. I would recommend doing your page setup to 12.8 by 19.8. 3. Ebook details. Enter your book title. If it's part of a series, mention the series name and volume number. Add the author name, which could be you or a pen name. Write a compelling description. This is what readers see when browsing your book, so make it enticing. Choose the appropriate categories and keywords. This helps readers find your book. 4. ISBN and publishing rights. You can provide your own ISBN or let Amazon assign one for you. Select the rights you hold for the book. If it's original content, choose I own the copyright. 5. Ebook content. Now, upload your manuscript. KDP accepts various formats like DOC, DOCX, and more. For the best results, use Amazon's Kindle Create tool. It helps format your book for Kindle devices. 6. Ebook cover. A captivating cover is crucial. You can design your own or use Amazon's cover creator. Ensure the cover is high resolution and represents your story. 7. Previewing your ebook. Before publishing, preview your ebook. This tool shows how your book will look on different Kindle devices. Make sure everything looks perfect. 8. Pricing and royalty. Decide on a price for your book. Choose between two royalty options, 35% or 70%. Understand the criteria for each and select what's best for you. If you input the price in the very first selection, it will auto-populate including conversions rates to each other country. 9. Publishing. Once everything's set, hit Publish your Kindle ebook. It might take up to 72 hours for your book to be live, but once it is, you're officially a published author on Amazon. And that's how you publish a book on Amazon KDP. It's a journey, but with patience and persistence, you can share your story with the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy publishing!